If you're experiencing low performance in EAFC 25, follow these steps to optimize your settings and improve gameplay. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets the minimum requirements for EAFC 25. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to ensure they align with the game specifications. Step 2. Update drivers. Update your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the most recent drivers, which can enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can significantly improve frame rates and overall performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 5. Optimize power settings. Adjust your computer's power settings to high performance. This can be done through the control panel or settings menu, ensuring that your system prioritizes performance over energy savings while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of EAFC 25. Enjoy your gaming experience.